Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Construction. Class 10th NCERT Syllabus. Exercise 6.2. Fourth question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Before starting the construction, first let me explain this question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm. Now imagine this is a circle of radius 5 cm. Okay. Now for this circle, we have to draw a pair of tangents. Pair of tangents means what? We have to draw two tangents. Okay. See here from this point, let me draw two tangents. We know that tangent means it is a straight line which touches the circumference of the circle once at a point. Isn't it? Now look at the question. Which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. It means the tangents, okay, the tangents are inclined at an angle 60 degree. To construct this, we must know the two properties. One is we must know the property of a tangent, and another one is we have to know the property of a quadrilateral. And we know the property of a tangent, that is the tangent makes a right angle at the point of tangency with the radius of a circle. This is a tangent, right? And it meets the circumference of a circle once at a point here. And this point is called as what? Point of tangency, right? And this tangent, it meets the circumference of a circle once at a point, and this is called point of tangency, right? The radius of a circle, if it meets the point of tangency, it makes an angle 90 degree. Isn't it? This is the property of a tangent. See here, the radius, if it touches point of tangency, it makes an angle 90 degree. This is according to the property of a tangent. Now what about this angle? Now look at this. This is a quadrilateral, right? In a quadrilateral, the sum of all the interior angle is 360 degree. In this, we know the measurement of only three angles. Here, according to, let me give the name A, B, C, D. Okay. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. It is according to the property of a quadrilateral. The sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle A is how much? 90 degree. Plus angle B, we have to find out. Angle C is 90 degree. Plus angle D is 60 degree. Okay, is equal to 360 degree. Angle B plus 90 degree plus 90 degree is 180 degree. 180 degree plus 60 degree is 240 degree is equal to 360 degree. Angle B is equal to 360 degree minus, when this plus 240 degree, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 240 degree. That is angle B is equal to 360 minus 240 is how much? 120 degree. Here therefore angle B is 120 degree. Let us do the construction according to this. Mark 5 cm with the help of ruler and compass. You can see that it is 5 cm. It is a circle of radius 5 cm. Now let us name this center point as B. Draw a radius to the circle. Now let us mark 120 degree at the point B. To mark 120 degree at the point B, we are following these steps. Adjust your compass to any measurement of your wish. Now keep the compass at the point B and draw an arc. Without changing the measurement of the compass, keep the compass at this point and cut an arc on this arc. Without changing the measurement of the compass, keep the compass at this point and cut an arc on this arc. See, at this point it measures 60 degree and this point it measures 120 degree. Join B and this point such that it touches the circumference of the circle. Angle B, it measures 120 degree. You can verify this by using the protractor. Look at this, it measures 120 degree. Now we have to mark 90 degree and 90 degree at this point, right? Now to mark 90 degree, adjust your compass to any measurement of your wish. Keep the compass at this point and draw an arc. Without changing the measurement of the compass, keep the compass at this point and cut an arc on this arc. This point it measures 60 degree. Now without changing the measurement of this, keep the compass at this point and cut an arc. This point it measures 120 degree. Now look at the simple calculation. 60 degree plus 120 degree is how much? 180 degree. When we will do the half of this 180 degree, what it will become? 180 degree divided by 2 is how much? 90 degree. Means the correct half between 60 degree and 120 degree is 90 degree. Right? So this point it measures 60 degree. This point it measures 120 degree. Between these two, the exact half of this is 90 degree. So let us bisect this angle. Keep the compass at this point and cut an arc. Keep the compass at this point and cut this arc. Now look at this. Join this point and the radius, this one. This angle it measures 90 degree. You can verify this by using the protractor. You can see that it measures 90 degree. Let us name this point as C. Here also we have to mark 90 degree and we have to follow the same step what we have followed here. Okay. Now to mark 90 degree at this point, let us adjust our compass to any measurement of our wish. Let us keep the compass at this point. Draw an arc. Keep the compass at this point and cut an arc. This point it measures 60 degree. Now without changing the measurement of the compass, keep the compass at this point and cut an arc. It measures 120 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle. So keep the compass at this point and cut an arc. Without changing the measurement of it, keep the compass at this point and cut an arc. Now join this point and this one. This angle, it measures 90 degree. You can verify this by using the protractor. You can see that it measures 90 degree. Let us name this point as A. Now let us join these two tangents. Let us name this point as D. These two tangents, they inclined at this point, right? At the point D. In the question, they told us the two tangents, they inclined each other at the angle of 60 degree. So, this angle, it is 60 degree. You can verify this by using the protractor. You can see that it is 60 degree. 60 degree. The tangents AD and CD, they inclined at 60 degree, right? Hope you have understood. Stay connected. Keep supporting. Thank you.